semifinal set.
Stay seated. We do have a presentation, but let's first hear the both teams on a great game. So Huskies US Texas. Both teams can go back to the benches. Everyone in the basketball is in the ball court. Let's take both teams back to the benches. Okay. I want to first of all congratulate the Eagles on a tremendous season, on a tremendous season. A tremendous game tonight. We're certainly proud of the boys and certainly the coaching staff. Great job by the Eagles. And we're certainly going to congratulate the Huskies as they move on tonight to the territory. They will be back in action tomorrow at 10 o'clock right here. They'll be facing the Wildcats in the first semifinal game at 10 o'clock. So nice job by the Huskies. We do have some presentations today. The Eagles were able to get second place in the regular season, so we want to honor them now with some trophies. Taking the broadcast, about to get the trophy. He's been looking hard for the trophy this year. John Howard, for the trophy. Indian Power. James Perry. Giovanni Jimenez. Nikolai Moody. Joaquin Smith. Christian Rios. William Izzo. Dwayne Sample. Assistant coach Dwayne Sample. The assistant Luke Kavanaugh. And we have a trophy for Mark Sherman. One last order of business. Thanks for being patient with us. I've got some Eagle players I want to call up to the front here. I want to honor them. There are graduates from the Eagles. John Howard, come on up, John. Get out there in front. Center. Joaquin Smith. Get out there. Okay. The Eagles win. Manuel Baldado. He's going to hop out there. Jace Perry, where's Jace? He's going to come out here as well. Let's hear it for boys, we are proud of and our Eagle graduates. We wish you the best of luck. Certainly proud of these four kids. I hope you will get them back for a shooting contest and a graduate game on Sunday at KOC Memorial Park. Thanks everybody. Have a great night.
I still got it! I don't know.
Hey, we're gonna take a team picture. That turns it on, right?
Yeah.
When it turns off, we can't turn it off. We got more people coming.
Why did you guys drop the camera?
Huh? I thought your dad had better hands than that. I thought the whole thing was gonna go right.
If I went for the ball, everything would have went. That's for sure.
Oh yeah. Are you sure you want to stop? Yes.